Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to get your referral code from Cash App. So first of all, you need to open your Cash App. Then on the main page, you need to click your profile icon. You need to find Invite Friends on the menu. Click it. And you will see your contact list. You can just share your link to your contacts, or if you want to share your referral link or code to anybody else, you need to click this share icon on the top right. There is a little share icon. You need to click it and then click the copy button. So we copied our referral link with our referral code, guys. So I'll show you. For example, let's open the browser and let's paste the text we just copied from Cash App. As you can see, there's a link and also there are some other text, guys. So let's delete some extra text. For example, this one. So now I have only my invite link. In the end, you see my referral code, guys. So for example, if we enter on this page, you can see that this is my Cash App invite link with my referral code right here. So if I send this code to my friends, or if I make a video about Cash App, or if I share it in social medias, I can get some extra money. For example, if somebody will create an account and start using Cash App, I will get $5 as a bonus. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.